Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take apart and replace the entire front screen assembly on your iPhone XS Max. So let's get right into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take apart so that you can replace your glass screen assembly on your iPhone XS Max. So here are the tools we're going to be using for this repair. A metal prying tool, a Pentalope screwdriver, a tri-tip screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, a suction cup, and plastic prying tools. And we're going to have a link to all the parts and tools used for this repair down below in the description. So let's go ahead and power your iPhone off. Let's go ahead and remove the SIM card tray. And with the Pentalope screwdriver, we're going to remove the two bottom screws. Once they're out of the way, we're going to need to give the screen some heat, especially around the edges here, which is where the small amount of adhesive is. It's not needed, but it is recommended to give it some heat, especially if you don't want to break your old screen, like in my case. You can also use a hot plate, which is what I prefer to use. So I'm going to set it to about 100 degrees Celsius and leave it on there for about a minute or two. If you are heating your phone up, I suggest using some gloves so that you don't burn your hands as you hold the phone. We're going to go ahead and grab the suction cup and place it towards the bottom of the phone by the charger port. And here we're going to pull up on it until we see a slight opening. Then we're going to use a prying tool. I'm going to use this thin prying tool to get in there and just lift it up gently. Don't pull on it too hard so that you don't crack your screen, especially if it's not broken yet. And then we're just going to go around the sides of the phone with the prying tool. Don't stick the prying tool in too much because you could damage things inside the phone. So as you can see here, I am just slightly wedging it on the edges to open it up. So we're going to go down both sides, just lifting up slightly on the edge of the frame here until all of the adhesive is removed. So there you go, it's lifting up a little bit now. There's still some adhesive there. We're going to go ahead and remove the suction cup. And as you can see, here is the cables that connect the screen to the phone. So we're going to give it some pressure here on the top now because there's still some adhesive here. Pull up on it just to release it. And there we go. All of the adhesive has been removed. We can lift up on the screen now gently from the left side up. And we got to be very careful with this cable here, which connects the ear speaker and all of the front sensors. So try and put the adhesive back around the frame so that we can reuse it. With the tri-tip screwdriver, we're going to remove the 4 small screws holding down this first bracket. And then we can go ahead and remove the metal bracket. So let's go ahead and disconnect the battery flex cable first to remove any electricity in the phone. And then we're going to go ahead and remove 3 more tri-tip screws holding down the second bracket. And then we can go ahead and remove the second bracket out of the way. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect the first flex cable here for the screen. Go ahead and disconnect it and pull it back. And we're going to disconnect the second flex cable here at the top and move that out of the way as well. And then we're going to go ahead and disconnect the final flex cable here, which is the thin one that connects to the ear speaker and sensors at the top of the phone. Just pull that gently. It is held down with some adhesive, so be careful when you pull it. So now with all the flex cables disconnected, we can go ahead and lift up on the screen and it will come out completely. Next up, there are 3 small tri-tip screws holding down the ear speaker portion, which we're going to have to remove. So with these screws out of the way, we can pull back on the ear speaker here. And with the plastic prying tool, we're going to pull up on this small portion up here. Pull up on it gently and it will come out to the side. So next up, we're gonna have to pull the cable up a little bit gently, and with the prying tool we can wedge it in there and gently pull up on it to remove the small amount of adhesive holding down the small flex cables here. We can get a grip on it with our fingers and pull the rest of it off, and it will come out completely in one piece. So here we have the ear speaker, microphone, and all the front sensors. With that out of the way, here we have your front. This is the Super AMOLED display screen for the iPhone XS Max. So this part will come in one piece just like this. They sell the entire screen assembly. This is how you order it. We're gonna have a link down below in the description where you can get this exact part. And then all you pretty much have to do is put it back together in reverse order. Just connect the piece that we just disconnected, the ear speaker and front sensors. We're gonna go ahead and position it correctly here at the top and then push it in so that it can glue back on with the adhesive that it has. So we're gonna give it a little bit of pressure here on the front sensors here and the microphone. Flip the ear speaker up, and then we're gonna place the small 3 tri-tip screws back on. Once the 3 screws are back in, we are ready to connect the flex cables back to the motherboard. So make sure that you connect them properly and that you hear it click. And then we're going to go ahead and connect this final cable right here. Squeeze it in correctly and press it down. Then we can go ahead and connect the battery cable back on. And let's go ahead and place the first bracket back on with the 4 tri-tip screws. And then we're going to get the second bracket and place the 3 tri-tip screws. Alright, so with the brackets back on, we are now ready to close the iPhone up. So we're going to position the screen correctly, and we're going to give it some pressure at the top first, push it in, and then we're going to push it in down these sides. Push it in gently, you're going to hear it click down. And then once you notice that all sides are down all the way, we're going to go ahead and place the 2 Pentalope screws back on. Go ahead and place the SIM card tray back in, and then we're ready to power the phone on again. So here are the tools once again that we use for this repair. Couple screwdrivers here, plastic prying tool, suction cup, a SIM ejector tool. So hope you enjoyed this video on how to replace the screen on your iPhone XS Max. So go ahead and give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.